Greetings YouTube. Just a quick peek at both the Crimson Sweet and the Sugar Baby watermelons that we're currently growing back here in our backyard food forest at the flat. Today is around day 60, no, day 70 for these watermelon plants back here, YouTube. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is that we have growing on or not growing on with both our Sugar Baby watermelons and our Crimson Sweet watermelons that we're currently growing back here under this landscaping fabric at the flat in our backyard food forest. Take you guys in and see if we have any melons on these vines yet, YouTube. Our vines have done quite well for us back here under this landscaping fabric. Again, we use that landscaping fabric to eliminate any possibility of our vines having to compete with any weeds or anything like that back here, YouTube. Take you guys in here and see if we got anything growing on. And yes, we do. What do they got out there, YouTube? Look, a little fella right there. Looks like a little fella down in there. Nice Crimson Sweet going on right there, YouTube. Take you guys on around and see what else we have going on with our Crimson Sweet and our Sugar Baby watermelon vines here at the flat in our backyard food forest. You guys see that down in there? Nice little Sugar Baby going on there. Another Crimson Sweet right there, YouTube. Seems to be a Sugar Baby hiding down in there. You guys see that little fella down in there, YouTube? So at this point, YouTube, things are looking quite well with both our Crimson Sweet and our Sugar Baby watermelons that we're currently growing back here at the flat in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this update on our Sugar Baby and Crimson Sweet watermelons down here at the flat, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Sugar Baby and Crimson Sweet watermelons at the flat in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching, YouTube.